How can you reduce Edge's high RAM and CPU usage? Imagine browsing the internet and suddenly your computer slows down or becomes unresponsive. High resource use by the Microsoft Edge browser can cause this. Let's look at some simple ways to fix that. Microsoft Edge is built on the Chromium engine, which makes it powerful but also resource-hungry. When you open many tabs or use lots of extensions, it can use a lot of RAM and CPU. This can slow down your whole system. The good news is that you can take steps to manage this. First, check how many tabs you have open. Each tab uses memory and processing power. Try to close tabs you no longer need. Edge has a feature called sleeping tabs that puts inactive tabs to sleep after a set time. This reduces their resource use. You can turn this on in the settings under System and Performance. Next, look at your extensions. Some add extra features but can also cause high resource use. Disable or remove extensions you do not use often. To do this, go to the menu, then Extensions, and turn off or delete unnecessary ones. Another helpful feature is the efficiency mode. When enabled, it limits background activity and visual effects to save resources. You can find this in the System and Performance section of Edge settings. Turning it on can make a noticeable difference, especially on laptops with limited power. Hardware acceleration is another factor. It uses your graphics card to speed up tasks, but sometimes it causes high CPU or memory use. Turning off hardware acceleration can help. To do this, go to Settings, then System and Performance, and toggle off Use hardware acceleration when available. Restart Edge afterward to see if it improves performance. Regularly clearing your browsing data also helps. Over time, cached files and cookies pile up and can slow things down. In the Settings menu, select Privacy, Search and Services, then Clear Browsing Data. Choose what to delete and confirm. Keeping your Edge browser and Windows operating system updated is important. Updates often include fixes for bugs that cause high resource use. Check for updates in Settings under Update and Security. Sometimes malware can cause high CPU or RAM usage. Running a full scan with your security software can find and remove malicious programs. If these steps do not help, try resetting Edge to its default settings. This can fix issues caused by misconfigured options or problematic extensions. To reset, go to Settings, then Reset Settings, and select Restore Settings to their default values. Managing your tabs, extensions, and settings can make a big difference. These actions show how Windows and Edge work together to allocate resources efficiently. By keeping your system clean and optimized, you can enjoy smoother browsing and better overall performance.